Have you heard of the new OpenAI model, GPT-4? It's revolutionizing language processing with its advanced capabilities. ChatGPT-4 is a multimodal model that can process not only text but also images. It has learned to read images, understand their context, and work with requests based on pictures. For example, you can send a photo of your fridge to the neural network and suggest making a dish from the available ingredients. Chat can process the image and provide suggestions for recipes that you can make. You can also send a meme and it will describe the humor on the picture. In this example, the neural network is asked to write what is funny in this picture. New Chat is so advanced that it can pass difficult exams at the level of excellent students. For example, the neural network received a score comparable to the results of the top 10% of human participants in the American bar exam bar. It could also get into Stanford University or win a biology Olympiad. Apart from its image processing capabilities and excellent performance in exams, GPT-4 is also known for its conversational abilities. It can hold conversations, write code, and even compose poetry. With AI, you can expect even better conversational abilities and more creative outputs. In addition, GPT-4 takes into account the context that a person gives it. The limit on a message with a text query was increased to 25,000 words, allowing to send entire documents and large excerpts of works. Expanding the possibilities of working with text, 4 version is more reliable, creative, and able to work with thin scenarios. It adapts more flexibly to the user's requests and can adhere to a specific style of answers. AI's capabilities go beyond just text processing. During an OpenAI livestream, co-founder Greg Brockman took a photo of a sketch of a website layout and asked GPT-4 to write HTML/JS code to turn it into a colorful website. Now let's talk on to the most interesting, namely how in a practical way to make money. One potential use case is in web development. Traditionally, when creating a website, a developer would have to come up with a layout and structure for the site, then manually write the HTML and CSS code to bring it to life. This can be a time-consuming and laborious process, especially for more complex sites. But with AI, we can simplify this process significantly. First, we can ask the language model to draw up a basic structure for the site based on our requirements. We can provide it with information such as the number of pages we want, what type of content we'll have, and any specific functionality we need. Once we have a basic outline, we can take it to the next level by drawing a rough sketch of the site on paper. This will give us a more concrete idea of what we want the site to look like, and help us refine the structure further. With our sketch in hand, we can then turn to GPT-4 once again. This time, we can ask it to write the HTML and JS code needed to turn our sketch into a fully functional website. We can specify any design elements we want to include, such as color schemes, fonts, and image placement. By using AI in this way, we can significantly speed up the web development process while still maintaining control over the design and functionality of the site. And because we can complete projects faster, we can take on more clients and increase our overall earnings as web developers. Of course, this is just one example of how GPT can be used to make money. As the technology continues to evolve and improve, we can expect to see even more opportunities for businesses and individuals to leverage its power and capabilities. In conclusion, neural networks is a game changer in the field of natural language processing. Its ability to process images, expand the possibilities of working with text, and perform exceptionally well in exams make it the most advanced language model available. With AI, we can expect even more advanced language models in the future. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to get notified when we upload new videos. See you in the next one.